In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from PeoplePerHour to Payoneer. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting out, transferring your hard-earned cash to your Payoneer account is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the PeoplePerHour website. Open your preferred web browser and type in PeoplePerHour.com. Once you're on the home page, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on that to access your personal dashboard. Next, within your dashboard, you'll want to head over to the settings. It's typically located under your profile options and is easy to spot. Click on Settings, and you'll be directed to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Once you're in the Settings section, focus your attention on the upper menu where you'll see several options. Click on Payments. This section allows you to manage and configure your payment methods, which is crucial for withdrawing your funds. Now, within the Payments area, look for a subsection labeled Withdrawal Accounts. This is where you can manage the accounts you use for withdrawing money from PeoplePerHour. Once you're there, you should see an option to add a new account. Click on Add to proceed with setting up your Payoneer account. At this point, if your Payoneer account is already fully set up and linked to your PeoplePerHour account, you will see it listed as an option. If not, you'll need to ensure that your Payoneer account is properly configured to connect with PeoplePerHour. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete this setup and make sure your Payoneer account details are accurate. Once everything is linked and set up correctly, you can select Payoneer as your withdrawal option. This means that whenever you want to transfer your earnings, you simply choose Payoneer from your list of withdrawal accounts and the funds will be sent directly there. And that's it. You've now successfully configured your PeoplePerHour account to withdraw funds to Payoneer. Remember, it's always a good idea to double-check your account details to ensure everything is accurate to avoid any delays or issues with your transfers. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more confident managing your earnings on PeoplePerHour. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out to their support team for further assistance. Thanks for watching and happy freelancing.